Welcome back to another Daishinfinity video. In this video, we're going to talk about the existence of maximum and minimum points. If we have a set given M, any set, it can be A, it can be B, we just call it M, which is a subset of the real numbers where M is not the empty set. We can always state that there exists a maximum of the set M and a minimum of the set M. So let's just start and prove this formula. So to prove this formula, let's just say there exists an A and an A dash. Let's call it A dash, for instance, like this, in M, such that A and A dash are maxima of M. So if there are maxima of M, let's say A is a maximum of M, then there exists an A in which is an element of M such that A is always bigger or equal to the A dash or A dash. So that A is an upper bound to A dash. Now, if A dash is the maximum, we can state that there exists an A dash since both are maximum points. By the definition, we can say that A dash is always bigger or equal to A, such that A dash is an upper bound to A or of A. So now, since we have both expressions, we can say that this exists, A is smaller or equal to A dash, and A dash is smaller or equal to A, which is already equivalent to saying that A is equal to A dash. So we have just stated that if we have two maximum points, there only exists one maximum point, which is just going to be A or A dash, or A and A dash at the same time. So we just have to identify one of them. So we just have proven the first formula. Now the second way of proving the minimum of the set M is also very easy. We just say there exists an A and an A dash in M such that A and A dashes are the minima of M. So if A is a minima of M, there exists an A of M so that for every A dash is always bigger or equal to A. Such that A is the lower bound to A dash. Now, if A dash is a minima of M, there exists an A dash in M, which is an element of M, such that A is always bigger or equal to A dash. So A dash is now the lower bound to A. So now we have two definitions. We can state that A is always bigger or equal to A dash, and A dash is always bigger or equal to A, which is equivalent to saying that A is equal to A dash, and we can just define this as the minimum of M. So we only have one specific element that is the minimum of M. So now we have proven that there exists a minimum of M and a maximum of M. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see us next in the next Daishinfinity video. See ya.